Hello everybody, I am making a second video explaining more in depth on how to flash the FS-5000 Geiger counter. First thing is, of course, you need to get the firmware. So get the latest release right here, download it, unzip it right here, and then you want the releases of stlink. I'm on Linux, so I got this file right here, and to run it, stlink GUI right here. And of course, first thing, you want to unscrew 4 screws in here, open it up, unplug the battery connector, and here, how do we connect this? We see SW. So we've got clock, data, ground, and 3 volts. So you can see 3 volts, then it's IO, then it's clock, then it's ground. So that's what we have connected to. We have green, it's 3 volts, here, and so on and so on and so on. Hopefully that makes sense. And then right here, it slots perfectly into this. Next, I can't show this, but I'm going to plug this into my computer. So take my word that it's plugged in. This is now plugged in, and we can do a very simple boom. It's reading the memory, and we'll give that a second. And I will mention you need to have an stlink. You can't plug it via USB and hold the power on button. You don't need to hold the power on button. You just plug it in via the stlink, and the stlink does everything. If you want to, you can export the device memory. If you want to revert it back to stock later on, if this is your first time doing it. Next, we want to go on to open. Right here, EN, and then it's as simple as pressing flash. And keep the write address as is right now, and click OK. And it's starting to flash. It failed. Yippee. Let's try again. And it didn't give me an error this time, so great. Plug it in and hope it don't explode, right? Which is the correct version, and I'm on light theme, which is the default right here. So yes, it does work. So what can you take away? That it doesn't always flash first time. You need to hold the pins at an angle, because I didn't hold them at the time, which is why it failed, and that has a high chance of breaking it. So that's stupid of me, but you should hold it when it's doing what it's doing, and it should work. Anyway, hopefully that is a more explained tutorial on how everything works. And yeah, that's pretty much it.